Did you know that beyond 80% of people who use sodium bicarbonate remain completely unaware of its most incredible capabilities? That's right. This ordinary household powder, costing mere pennies each time you use it, sits quietly in millions of cupboards, concealing its authentic potential. In fact, many professionals describe sodium bicarbonate as the most undervalued therapeutic substance on Earth. Think about this. How often have you taken sodium bicarbonate to bake something or eliminate odors from your icebox without considering what additional benefits it might provide? What if I shared that this basic white compound possesses an extensive background of remarkable applications, several of which might completely transform your wellness approach? Why do so many people ignore the genuine strength of sodium bicarbonate? And what chances are we squandering? In this presentation, we'll investigate the incredible health advantages of sodium bicarbonate that most individuals don't realize exist. I'll additionally cover the essential warnings and specify exactly which people should proceed carefully when utilizing sodium bicarbonate. You absolutely shouldn't overlook this, particularly if you prioritize your wellness and desire to make knowledgeable decisions. Before examining the health advantages of sodium bicarbonate, if you're unfamiliar with our channel, hello. Let's learn together. Please like this video and subscribe to receive our future content. Your wellness journey begins now and we're genuinely thrilled to join you. Furthermore, share where you're located by writing your nation in the comments. We're excited to hear from you. Now, let's start. The remarkable health advantages of sodium bicarbonate. First, promotes detoxification. Sodium bicarbonate isn't only for cleansing or cooking. It's frequently celebrated for its capacity to enhance the body's inherent detoxification systems. When dissolved in water, sodium bicarbonate turns alkaline, which means it can help balance acids both within and outside your system. Countless people take sodium bicarbonate baths to comfort inflamed skin, minimize itching, and ease mild rashes. The principle suggests that bathing in a sodium bicarbonate mixture helps extract impurities, making skin feel revitalized and your system more harmonized. Though this remains a well-known household remedy, scientific proof for detoxifying benefits through skin contact stays minimal. Still, many users describe significant comfort enhancement. Internally, the situation grows even more compelling. Certain wellness advocates believe consuming a tiny quantity of sodium bicarbonate mixed in water can help make blood and urine more alkaline, aiding the body's waste elimination processes. Some scientific research validates this, especially for individuals with particular health situations. For instance, studies published in the Journal of the American Society of Nephrology discovered that sodium bicarbonate supplementation helps reduce the advancement of chronic kidney disease by decreasing acid accumulation in blood. This shows that with medical supervision, sodium bicarbonate can assist in supporting the body's inherent detoxification, particularly for those requiring help controlling acid levels. Nevertheless, it's vital to understand that your system already skillfully maintains its pH balance, and achieving major modifications through nutrition alone proves challenging. Overusing sodium bicarbonate can trigger unwanted effects, so careful use stays crucial. When applied correctly, sodium bicarbonate delivers a mild, cost-effective method to enhance your body's inherent cleansing mechanisms and help you feel more refreshed. Next, boosts oral health and teeth whitening. Sodium bicarbonate has secured its spot in countless toothpastes and household treatments for valid reasons. It's a champion regarding dental hygiene and teeth brightening. If you've previously cleaned your teeth using a little sodium bicarbonate, you likely noticed how polished and fresh they felt following. That's because sodium bicarbonate serves as a gentle abrasive, successfully eliminating surface stains from coffee, tea, or other substances that can make your smile appear dull. Unlike harsh whitening procedures, sodium bicarbonate's mild composition helps brighten teeth without creating significant harm when utilized properly. But the advantages reach beyond simply a brighter smile. Sodium bicarbonate is alkaline, which means it helps balance acids in your oral cavity. This becomes significant because acidic conditions enable dangerous bacteria to multiply, causing cavities, gum problems, and foul breath. By stabilizing the pH in your oral cavity, sodium bicarbonate establishes a less suitable environment for these bacteria, encouraging healthier gums and cleaner breath. Scientific studies validate these statements. For example, research published in the Journal of Clinical Dentistry revealed that toothpastes with sodium bicarbonate were substantially more successful at eliminating plaque and brightening teeth than products without it. Another investigation demonstrated that sodium bicarbonate can help decrease the quantity of dangerous bacteria in the oral cavity, additionally supporting dental wellness. However, careful use remains essential since sodium bicarbonate is abrasive. Employing it too frequently or cleaning too vigorously can damage tooth enamel gradually. Dental specialists suggest utilizing it only a couple times each week and consistently with a gentle bristled brush. With the correct method, sodium bicarbonate provides a straightforward, budget-friendly approach to obtain cleaner, brighter, and healthier teeth directly at home. Next, helps in reducing heartburn. Heartburn represents a common and frequently unpleasant feeling many individuals encounter, particularly following eating a heavy or spicy dish. It typically begins as a burning feeling in the upper stomach and can travel into the throat, resulting from stomach acid moving backward into the esophagus, a situation called acid reflux. Additional elements including specific medical problems like achalasia or eosinophilic esophagitis together with weight increase or pregnancy can also increase heartburn likelihood. Though many commercial antacids are sold, a basic and efficient remedy can be discovered in your kitchen. Combining a teaspoon of sodium bicarbonate with a glass of water and consuming it gradually represents a proven method to rapidly ease heartburn. The science supporting this is simple. Sodium bicarbonate is alkaline, therefore it functions to balance the extra stomach acid that creates that burning feeling. This process delivers nearly instant relief, making it a favored household remedy for many years. Actually, the medical field acknowledges sodium bicarbonate as a quick-working antacid. A review published in the journal Gastroenterology and Hepatology emphasizes its success in delivering rapid relief from occasional heartburn. The method stays simple and practical. No necessity for a pharmacy visit or costly treatments. Simply a teaspoon of sodium bicarbonate, a glass of water, and a few moments are everything required to feel improved. This basic remedy explains why sodium bicarbonate continues as a household essential in countless homes. For those wanting rapid, dependable heartburn relief, this humble kitchen component can create a noticeable improvement, helping you resume your activities with comfort and ease. Next, antifungal characteristics. Fungal infections represent a frequent irritation, frequently showing as itchy, red, or scaly areas on the skin, particularly in warm and damp locations like the feet. Athlete's foot, ringworm, and related conditions develop from fungi that flourish in wet environments. Though many non-prescription creams and sprays exist, a basic and natural remedy can be located in your kitchen. Sodium bicarbonate. What makes this household staple so successful against fungi is its capacity to disturb the environment these microorganisms require to reproduce. When placed on skin, sodium bicarbonate establishes an alkaline situation that damages the cell walls of fungi, making it more difficult for them to live and multiply. This isn't simply a household remedy handed down through generations. Scientific proof validates it. A study published in the journal Mycopathologia revealed that a mixture containing 10 grams of sodium bicarbonate per liter successfully prevented the development of 80% of fungal varieties tested. This impressive finding demonstrates sodium bicarbonate's capability as a natural antifungal substance. Its application stays simple. A paste created from sodium bicarbonate and water can be placed directly on affected locations, or you can include it in a foot soak to help comfort and address athlete's foot. Many individuals notice relief from itching and pain following only a few treatments. Also, since it's mild and safe, it represents an excellent option for those wanting to prevent harsh chemicals. For anyone struggling with ongoing fungal infections, this inexpensive and available treatment provides a hopeful alternative, helping to bring back comfort and confidence to your everyday life. Next may ease urinary tract infections, UTI. Urinary tract infections or UTIs represent a frequent and frequently painful issue, especially for women. The burning feeling during urination, constant urges to urinate and overall pain can make everyday tasks challenging. Though antibiotics represent the typical treatment, some individuals seek natural methods to reduce symptoms and aid recovery. One such treatment gaining recognition is sodium bicarbonate. The concept supporting using sodium bicarbonate for UTI is founded on its capacity to balance acids. When combined with water and taken in small quantities, sodium bicarbonate can help make urine less acidic. This pH modification may establish conditions less suitable for bacteria that trigger UTI, possibly reducing their multiplication and supporting the body's capacity to combat infection. Furthermore, less acidic urine can decrease the burning feeling that makes UTI so painful. Scientific investigation offers some validation for this method. In research published in the Japanese Journal of Urology, 33 women with repeating UTI received sodium bicarbonate as component of their treatment. Following 4 weeks, many subjects reported significant symptom improvement, including decreased pain and discomfort during urination. Though these findings appear encouraging, it's crucial to emphasize that sodium bicarbonate shouldn't substitute medical care for UTI, particularly in serious situations. For those seeking extra relief together with prescribed treatments, sodium bicarbonate may provide a gentle, budget-friendly method to minimize discomfort. Always keep in mind though that ongoing or severe UTI symptoms need immediate attention from a healthcare expert. When used sensibly, sodium bicarbonate can represent a useful addition to your resources for maintaining urinary wellness and comfort. Next, may address canker sores. If you've previously felt the sharp pain of a canker sore, you know exactly how troublesome these tiny mouth ulcers can become. The positive news: sodium bicarbonate could be the straightforward, budget-friendly remedy you've been searching for. Canker sores, also known as aphthous ulcers, frequently appear due to stress, small mouth trauma, or even specific foods. They can make eating, drinking, and even speaking painful. Sodium bicarbonate functions effectively here due to its special capacity to balance acids in the mouth and establish a more stable pH environment. This proves crucial as an acidic environment can delay healing and worsen irritation. By washing your mouth with a mixture of sodium bicarbonate and water, typically about half a teaspoon in a glass of warm water, you can help decrease swelling, reduce pain, and accelerate the healing process. But don't simply trust my words. Science validates this. A study published in the Journal of the American Dental Association discovered that sodium bicarbonate mouthwashes significantly decreased pain and encouraged quicker healing in patients with recurring aphthous stomatitis. The investigators determined that sodium bicarbonate's gentle antiseptic and anti-inflammatory characteristics help maintain the sore clean and decrease bacterial development, which proves crucial for recovery. Furthermore, unlike some non-prescription treatments, sodium bicarbonate is gentle and unlikely to create additional irritation. Therefore, next time you notice a canker sore developing, attempt a basic sodium bicarbonate wash. It represents a natural, scientifically validated method to discover relief and support your oral wellness directly from your kitchen. Next, boosts exercise performance. Were you aware that a regular kitchen essential could provide you a genuine advantage in your exercise sessions? That's correct. Sodium bicarbonate isn't simply for baking desserts or cleaning your sink. It's actually a hidden tool employed by athletes to boost exercise performance and combat muscle exhaustion. Here's the mechanism. When you participate in high-intensity exercise, your muscles create lactic acid, which results in a pH decrease and produces that familiar burning feeling. This acidity represents a major element in muscle exhaustion, frequently compelling you to quit before you're actually ready. Sodium bicarbonate functions as a natural buffering substance. When consumed before exercise, it helps balance the extra acid in your muscles, enabling you to work harder and continue longer during intense exercise sessions. But this isn't simply exercise mythology. Solid science validates it. A meta-analysis published in the Journal of Strength and Conditioning Research examined multiple studies and discovered that sodium bicarbonate supplementation significantly enhanced performance in high-intensity short-duration activities like sprinting, swimming, and cycling. The investigators determined that athletes who consumed sodium bicarbonate experienced delayed fatigue onset and could maintain peak performance for extended periods. Usually, athletes combine about a teaspoon of sodium bicarbonate with water and consume it 60 to 90 minutes before their exercise session. However, it's crucial to begin with small quantities as excessive amounts can create digestive discomfort like bloating or nausea. If you're seeking a natural science-supported method to boost your endurance and optimize your training sessions, sodium bicarbonate could be worth trying. Simply remember to check with a healthcare expert before including it in your routine, particularly if you have any existing health conditions. Try it and notice if you observe a difference in your next exercise session. Next may help boost kidney function. Picture if something as basic as sodium bicarbonate could help safeguard your kidneys and enhance their function, particularly if you're dealing with chronic kidney disease. CKD. For countless individuals with CKD, the kidneys have difficulty removing adequate acid from the blood, resulting in a condition called metabolic acidosis. This extra acid can accelerate kidney damage and worsen overall wellness. Here's where sodium bicarbonate becomes useful. It functions as a natural antacid, helping to balance acid in your bloodstream. By decreasing blood acidity, sodium bicarbonate can reduce the stress on your kidneys and possibly slow the advancement of kidney disease. This isn't simply a household remedy. Genuine science validates it. A significant study published in the Journal of the American Society of Nephrology tracked patients with advanced CKD and metabolic acidosis. The investigators discovered that those who consumed daily sodium bicarbonate supplements experienced a significantly slower decline in kidney function compared to those who didn't. Actually, the group consuming sodium bicarbonate was less prone to develop end-stage renal disease and require dialysis. The study also observed improvements in blood bicarbonate levels, which represents a crucial indicator of acid-base balance in the system. Naturally, it's crucial to acknowledge that sodium bicarbonate isn't a complete solution and should never be employed without medical supervision. Excessive amounts can cause complications like elevated blood pressure or fluid accumulation, particularly in individuals with heart or kidney issues. If you or someone you care about has CKD, discuss with a healthcare expert before considering sodium bicarbonate as a supplement. When used carefully and under supervision, this humble kitchen component could serve a surprising function in supporting kidney wellness and enhancing quality of life. Next can ease arthritis pain. Picture discovering relief from arthritis pain with something as basic as sodium bicarbonate, a humble component possibly already present in your kitchen. Arthritis, especially rheumatoid arthritis, represents a condition characterized by ongoing inflammation resulting in joint pain, swelling, and stiffness that can make everyday life difficult. Though most individuals rely on medications and physical therapy for relief, recent scientific discoveries suggest that sodium bicarbonate could provide a natural and accessible method to help control these symptoms. The science supporting this proves both fascinating and promising. In a 2018 study published in the Journal of Immunology, investigators discovered that consuming a daily mixture of sodium bicarbonate and water could actually affect the body's immune system. The study demonstrated that sodium bicarbonate helps trigger the body's anti-inflammatory response while reducing the autoimmune activity that causes conditions like rheumatoid arthritis. Both animal and human subjects in the study experienced a clear reduction in inflammatory indicators and the balance of immune cells moved toward a less inflammatory condition. This suggests that sodium bicarbonate may help soothe the immune system, decreasing the joint pain and swelling that make arthritis so challenging to endure. For those dealing with arthritis, this research presents exciting opportunities. Including a simple sodium bicarbonate wash or drink in your daily routine could potentially help control inflammation and enhance joint comfort. Though additional research is required to completely understand the long-term advantages, the concept that such a common household item could function in reducing arthritis pain proves both empowering and encouraging. It serves as a reminder that sometimes the most powerful remedies are those concealed in plain view. Next, controls gout symptoms. Gout represents an especially painful type of arthritis, frequently striking suddenly with severe pain, redness, and swelling, typically in the big toe or other joints. The underlying cause, an accumulation of uric acid in the bloodstream, which creates sharp crystals in the joints and triggers inflammation. Controlling gout frequently involves discovering methods to reduce uric acid levels and ease the resulting pain. This is where sodium bicarbonate becomes valuable as a surprisingly efficient household remedy. Sodium bicarbonate's alkaline characteristics allow it to balance excess uric acid in the blood, making it less probable for those painful crystals to develop. By helping to restore a healthier pH balance, sodium bicarbonate can decrease both the frequency and severity of gout episodes. Actually, a study published in the journal Arthritis and Rheumatism discovered that alkalinizing substances like sodium bicarbonate can help dissolve uric acid crystals and encourage their removal through urine, providing relief from acute gout symptoms. Many individuals discover that consuming a glass of water combined with half a teaspoon of sodium bicarbonate can help reduce discomfort during a flare-up. Beyond simply pain relief, sodium bicarbonate may also help decrease inflammation in affected joints, making movement easier and less painful. However, it's crucial to remember that though sodium bicarbonate can serve as a helpful addition to your gout management resources, it should consistently be employed with supervision from a healthcare expert. This ensures you obtain the advantages without risking any complications. Therefore, if you're seeking a natural science-supported method to control gout symptoms, sodium bicarbonate could just be the simple remedy you require directly from your kitchen cabinet. Next, reduces cold and flu symptoms. When cold and flu season arrives, it's simple to feel overwhelmed by symptoms like a scratchy throat, congested nose, and ongoing congestion. But were you aware that sodium bicarbonate, a simple, budget-friendly essential, can serve as a powerful partner in your battle against these common illnesses? Due to its natural alkaline characteristics, sodium bicarbonate can help dissolve stubborn mucus, making it easier to clear your nasal passages and breathe more comfortably. This proves particularly helpful when dealing with a runny or blocked nose that won't clear. One of the most successful applications for sodium bicarbonate in cold and flu relief is as a gargle. Combining half a teaspoon of sodium bicarbonate with a glass of warm water produces a comforting solution that can help soothe a sore, irritated throat. Gargling with this combination not only relieves discomfort but also helps decrease the presence of germs and bacteria in your mouth and throat, establishing a less welcoming environment for viruses to multiply. Actually, a study published in the Journal of the American Dental Association discovered that regular gargling with a sodium bicarbonate solution can significantly decrease throat irritation and microbial presence, supporting quicker recovery from upper respiratory infections. Sodium bicarbonate can also be included in saline nasal washes to further help clear congestion by dissolving mucus and balancing acids. It enhances your body's natural defenses and helps you recover more rapidly. Therefore, next time you're feeling sick, consider reaching for sodium bicarbonate. It represents a gentle scientifically confirmed remedy that can create a genuine difference in how rapidly you recover from colds and flu, demonstrating that sometimes the best solutions exist directly in your kitchen. Next, it could help improve cancer treatments. The concept that sodium bicarbonate could serve a function in cancer treatment might sound unexpected, but it represents a topic gaining recognition in the scientific community. Cancer cells are recognized to flourish in acidic environments, which not only enhances their growth, but can also make them more resistant to specific treatments. Sodium bicarbonate with its natural alkalizing characteristics has been examined for its potential to modify the pH around tumor cells, establishing an environment less suitable for cancer to multiply. One of the most intriguing studies on this subject appeared in 2009 in the journal Cancer Research. In this study, investigators injected sodium bicarbonate into mice with metastatic breast cancer and discovered it significantly decreased the tumor acidity. This pH shift slowed the cancer's advancement and made the tumor cells more vulnerable to chemotherapy. The discovery suggests that by balancing the acidic microenvironment, sodium bicarbonate could potentially improve the success of conventional cancer treatments. Scientists are currently investigating whether antacids like sodium bicarbonate could be safely employed together with chemotherapy or other therapies to enhance outcomes for patients. However, it's essential to stress that this research remains in its beginning phases. Though the results in animal models appear encouraging, additional clinical trials in humans are required before sodium bicarbonate can be suggested as part of a standard cancer treatment approach. For now, sodium bicarbonate should not be viewed as a miracle treatment, but rather as a potential resource that may eventually supplement existing therapies. If you or a loved one is receiving cancer treatment, always discuss with your healthcare team before considering any new supplements or remedies. Finally, natural deodorant. If you're seeking a simple, natural method to remain fresh throughout the day, sodium bicarbonate could be the answer you've been looking for. Unlike many commercial deodorants that depend on artificial scents and chemicals, sodium bicarbonate provides a clean, efficient alternative directly from your kitchen. Its secret lies in its ability to balance the acidic compounds in sweat that create body odor while also absorbing extra moisture. This establishes an environment where odor-producing bacteria have difficulty thriving, helping you remain odor-free even during your most active days. Sodium bicarbonate's success as a natural deodorant isn't simply anecdotal. Science validates it. A study published in the Journal of Cosmetic Dermatology discovered that sodium bicarbonate significantly decreased underarm odor when employed as a topical treatment. The investigators observed that sodium bicarbonate's alkaline characteristics help balance the acids created by sweat and bacteria, efficiently reducing unpleasant odors. Furthermore, since it's free from parabens, aluminum, and synthetic scents, sodium bicarbonate represents an excellent option for those with sensitive skin or anyone seeking to prevent harsh chemicals. Employing sodium bicarbonate as a deodorant proves simple. Simply apply a small amount under your arms, either alone or combined with a little coconut oil for extra moisture. You'll observe that it maintains you feeling dry and fresh even during exercise sessions or hot weather. Though everyone's skin differs, and some may need to check for sensitivity, sodium bicarbonate remains a popular option for those pursuing a natural, environmentally friendly approach to personal care. Therefore, if you're ready to abandon chemical-filled products, attempt sodium bicarbonate. It represents a simple, scientifically confirmed method to remain confidently fresh throughout the day. Who should exercise caution? Though sodium bicarbonate provides a range of impressive health advantages, it's crucial to acknowledge that it isn't appropriate for everyone. Specific groups should exercise extra care, particularly when considering regular use or higher doses, whether for internal or external applications. Individuals with kidney issues, for example, need to be especially careful because sodium bicarbonate contains sodium. Those with impaired kidney function may have difficulty eliminating excess sodium from their systems, which can result in fluid retention and other complications. Individuals with elevated blood pressure should also be cautious. The sodium content in sodium bicarbonate can contribute to increased blood pressure levels, making it dangerous for those already controlling hypertension. Similarly, individuals with digestive disorders such as gastritis, ulcers, or acid reflux should discuss with a healthcare expert before using sodium bicarbonate as it can modify stomach acidity and potentially aggravate these conditions. Pregnant or nursing women represent another group who should approach sodium bicarbonate with care. Excessive consumption can disturb the body's electrolyte balance, which may have consequences for both mother and child. Furthermore, individuals with known allergies or sensitivities could experience skin irritation or digestive discomfort when using sodium bicarbonate. Therefore, it's smart to test a small amount initially. Finally, those with breathing issues should prevent inhaling sodium bicarbonate powder as it can irritate the airways and worsen breathing difficulties. In all situations, moderation and appropriate guidance remain essential. If you fit into any of these categories or have underlying health concerns, it's always smart to discuss with a healthcare provider before making sodium bicarbonate a regular component of your wellness routine. As you can observe, sodium bicarbonate represents far more than simply a kitchen essential. It serves as a powerful and flexible resource that can enhance your wellness in many unexpected ways. From comforting sore throats to controlling gout and even boosting exercise performance, its advantages receive support from both tradition and science. But remember, it's crucial to use sodium bicarbonate wisely and discuss with a healthcare expert if you have any concerns. Have you ever employed sodium bicarbonate for any of these treatments? Or do you possess your own suggestions to share? Leave your experiences and questions in the comments below. We enjoy hearing from you. And if you found this video useful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share it with friends who could benefit, too. Thank you for watching and supporting our channel. To continue learning, we've selected 2 videos specifically for you. Click on one of them and we'll see you there.